Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cameron Felix and in today's video, I will be unboxing Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Money collection. I purchased two products from this collection and one is not the Blood Money eye palette, just so we're clear. I do already have that green palette by Huda Beauty that it's never gonna get used, so I really didn't see a use. Now, gold highlighter though, I'm all about it. So let's go ahead and open this. If you're interested in seeing the Blood Money products that I thought were friendly enough for brown girl skin like mine, go ahead and keep watching this video, give it a thumbs up, you know. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. I'm gonna bust it open. Aha. Well, honestly, I don't know how. Well, it just goes that way. Wah, wah, wah. I mean, obviously, I got the Extreme Frost highlighter because of the packaging, first of all, and then, of course, because who doesn't live for a gold highlighter, bitch? Love this. That's actually really cool. And then we got some paper. Well, that's cool. We'll put that around our Christmas tree, honey. What's this? A receipt. Receipt. And then, obviously, there's a mirror in the bottom. So, let's go ahead and crack this shit open, you guys. Alright, well, first of all, damn, they gave me a lot of pieces of this paper, too. How cool is that? Is it blowing it out? Can you see it? Super cool. What's it say? Hidden Hills, California, Jeffree Star. This note is not legal tender for any depths, public or private. Is that all it says? 100 Zwollas. Iconic certificate. Be certified to be iconic. Oh, that's cute. Anyways. So, honestly, alright, I literally just ripped this off, you guys. Boom. Extreme Frost, Illuminate powder. I mean, this is just fantastic. Oh, so it fits all the way down in there. Okay, the packaging isn't as fancy as I thought it was gonna be, to be honest. Maybe it is. Okay. The outside is nice, the inside just feels cheap. And here it is. Honest to God, I want to put on some makeup first before I even say, look at that. Should I do it? Oh my God, you guys. I mean, holy shit. Isn't that spectacular? Okay, holidays. I mean, is there enough? Bitch, let me just get a fucking... Do I have a clean brush? Hold up, wait a minute. Brush, but I'm gonna use it, honey, I don't care. Do you see that the level of color that comes on there? It's like greens and pinks, but gold. And just build that shit all the way up. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do is now is I'm gonna take all this off and then put some foundation on. And then, wait. The highlighter honestly was just an extra. This is really what my order was about. Whoops. Obviously. Why is it upside down? I don't think they meant to do that. I'll flip it the right way for y'all. Wow, the color. Can you see that? Bitch. Fantastic. And then here's this. Blood Money. This was $30, but it is a full mirror compared to, you would say, see how much bigger that is? There's more mirror. So that's what the extra charge is for. And then I want to say that this, of course, I mean, the ears obviously are a little bit bigger. I think these were probably the same price. I'm not 100%. I have to go back and look at my order history. Mirror, mirror on the wall. This highlighter is going to get me through fall and winter and spring too. All right, I'm back. And bitch, I could not be bothered with shaving today. Sorry. Let's go ahead and start out with, honestly, today, do I want to put on concealer only? I might as well. What do I want? All right, so basically I'm not putting on like a full face. I'm just gonna go in. I will be using my mirror. This is the Dior concealer, honey. Where's the roll touch up? Honestly, don't need a lot of TV. It's kind of a foundation, but it's not essential. Super simple. Oh, I don't even feel like putting on mascara, but... No, it's right here. All right, so I have a brand new highlighting brush. This one is by Moda Pro. I think I opened this a few weeks ago. Okay, here we go. Do you see that? Oh, we'll get some more, don't worry. Other side. Hold on. All right, I'm turning for y'all. I mean, without the light, bitch, we're glowy. Hoey and glowy. I'm gonna look so crazy in my next video. Of course, about the eyebrow. So basically, it's called Cold Hard Cash, by the way. I didn't even say that in the video, so I'm an idiot. Sorry, Jeffree. And yes, I know I have fucking glitter all over my face. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a microfiber brush from Technique Cosmetics, Sam and Nick Chapman collection. And I'm just gonna go in here and blend everything out, pretty much. Not out, but I'm gonna blend it so it looks natural. And then, not natural, it's natural, I'm sorry. We're just gonna go over it with a light something. All right. And then, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go into this palette. And I'm gonna take, which color would be best? So I took I might honestly. I'm gonna take this bottom color just because it's like a neutral-ish. And I'm gonna go and just smoke out the edges. Or I'm sorry, yeah, like make them deeper, you know? Oh, that was a terrible idea. I think that might have been a terrible idea, you guys. So this is what the new highlighter looks like. Cold, hard cash. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Honestly, I was just messing around. I got this in the mail and I really wanted to open it and share it with you guys. I know, I don't know if it's sold out. I don't think it's sold out. Cause you know, apparently Jeffree Star is problematic and whatnot. But I wanted the highlighter, so I bought it. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Love you all.